This has been a great purchase so far. I have 3 lights and 3 inflatables plugged into it and haven't had any issues. The size is perfect and it blends with the grass well. Awesome outdoor power strip. Does the job. I have all my lights in my back garden plugged into this and is working great. Item as described, works great for string-corded items, not so good for items with elongated adapter plug. I originally wanted to use this to plug in my pool filter out in the yard, but it wouldn't because the other plug doors prevented it from going in, so I had to use an extension cord instead. But for other things like the blow-up pump and plugging in lights, it's just fine. So it will get put to good use and I won't worry about if it rains. It is sturdy, it is waterproof, it has given me all my outdoor inflatable needs. The only con is the cord needs to be longer, which is why it didn't get 5 stars from me. These 3 are plugged into it now, but there are 4 plugs being used. And Halloween had these 2 plugged in. This outlet is ideal for running my multiple strands of outdoor lights into one location. The attached 9 extension cord is very convenient, as I could plug into an exterior receptacle, then place the box 7 away from the outlet so it is out of sight. I then ran my various light cords along the edge of the house, where they could not be seen, into the Kasonic unit. This allows me to control all of the exterior lights with one interior switch. I placed an old pot over the stake and covered it with leaves, so I can easily get to it no matter how much snow we get. Click link in description for more reviews.